Hi guys, so it's 9:52 a.m. and it was it's forming a bearish engulfing pattern at a R4 pivot point. So immediately here I have shorted a call option 23,600 call option. You can see the profit and loss already. I'm playing the video in 16x speed so that you won't get bored. So you can see it has uh, the index has crossed in the highest point of the previous candle, even though it's not hitting our stop loss, because you can see the option premium is decaying as the India VIX is falling. So as volatility is falling, obviously the option premium is not decreasing, even the index is going upward. You can see. So he here you can see almost we have achieved 1 is to 1.5, but the market is again retracing. So here you can see again a big bearish engulfing candle has formed. So I thought it was gonna give a big profits in this trade. It has almost given 1 is to 2, but we didn't book the profit because only reason is that our target is 1 is to 3. Without 1 is to 3 we are not gonna book the profits, and we are trading only a single lot. So that's why we cannot even trail by exiting some of the lots. We are only trading one lot, so that's why only one lot is there. You can see the market is again going on the upward side. Even though the Nifty 50 index is on going on the higher side, the option premium is not going on the high side. It's always staying below the previous high. You can see on the screen, right? So this video is gonna be very long because I have taken three trades. So see here again, a bearish engulfing has happened in the options chain, but not on the index. Index it's making higher highs, but in the option it's not making higher highs. It's staying below the highest point only. So you can say that I have gone against the trend. That is, the trend is bullish trend, and I have shorted here. Immediately in the next candle after that bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, I could have exited at 1 is 2, but now I regretted a little bit here because there is always emotions that will disturb your strategy while trading. So that's what happened, but I was true to the strategy and I didn't exit without 1 is to 3 profit. Here you can see it has making higher highs. The market has made higher highs. Still, the option hasn't make higher highs. It's below that only. It's because yesterday also the market has moved a lot, and today that all that volatility has gone down. That's why the market is not making higher highs. So this is the first trade I have taken, and it is a very simple trade because the market was bullish, and it has reached a resistance point of R4 pivot point, and at that pivot point it has formed a bearish engulfing candle twice, but now it's making higher highs. If it forms a another bullish engulfing candle here, and it would fall in a much better way from this point. So you can see again the market has been falling and again retracing. We have shorted as 218 rupees, and our stop loss was around 228 rupees, so only 10 rupees stop loss, the option. Still, even though it has made higher highs, we didn't hit the stop loss, and here again you can see a big bearish engulfing candle has formed. By now it should have hit our stop loss, but we because we are on the selling side, we haven't hit our stop loss. That's the positive thing in the option selling. But when the volatility is very high, most of the times it hits the stop loss. And this is a sometimes a rare scenario that even though it has already made higher highs, we didn't hit the stop loss. See, again, the market has been giving us many opportunities to exit, but see, now it has formed a bearish pattern. Like, it's like a double top pattern in the Nifty 50 index. I hope at least this time it would fall. But no, here also it's again making higher highs. It's trying to make higher highs, but our stop loss is not getting it. See, again, it has gave us almost 1 is to 2 at this point. Again, the market is immediately retracing. Maybe tomorrow is a budget day, that's why the market is anticipating a bullish move today. But I should have exited by now, because it's obviously we can see on the charts itself that the market is bullish. But I want to stick to the trade. If I enter a trade, either I exit with 1 is to 3 profit, or I will stay, or I will give, the stop loss should be hit. Otherwise I don't want to exit, because most of the times when I exit, what's happened is that the market goes in our direction, and we end up losing a lot of, you know, potential of booking profits. So that's why I'm not gonna exit this, because it has already made higher highs. And if it falls from such a high point, then the option premium will decay so high, and we will end up with a big profit, 1 is to 4 also. So that's my logic in this trade. And this is a recorded video, right guys? I have recorded from morning to evening, and now I'm playing it in 16x speed. Again, the market is trying to make higher highs. See, again, the market has given so much. Today market was totally in the favor of option sellers, because if we could have shorted put option, this would have been a really big profit. So you can assume how much favorable the market is in the on the side of option sellers. And I regret not booking 1 is to 2 profit in this trade, because we ended up hitting the stop loss in this trade. And today a lot of learning that when you are on the option selling side and the market volatility is falling, then the market acts so much in your favor that it's really rewarding. Even though if you are wrong also, your stop loss doesn't get hit. That's the very rewarding thing in option selling. Even though it's high capital requirement and, you know, high risk, option selling with a stop loss without any hedging is very profitable in such cases. So we could have exited at no loss in this trade, but we I wanted to stay in this trade, because it has already made a big move. And after how much can a man run? 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, he has to get tired at some point, right? In the same way, the market, the buying pressure will also dry out at some point. So that's what I was expecting, and that's why I stayed in this trade. But it seems that the market has a lot of potential today. So now you can see the market has hit the stop loss. We have exited with a stop loss of 765 rupees. So that's the first trade. And it's kind of a little bit regret when the market is moving against you after giving 1 is to 2 profit. I felt really, regrettable. This is the second trade, right? Here you can see the market has formed a bearish engulfing candle, and immediately in the next candle I have shorted the same call option. So that's the 23,600 call option of the Feb 6th. But in this trade also we hit the stop loss. It took some time to hit the trade because the volatility was in our favor, even though the market was not in our favor because of the falling volatility. It gave us some time. So here you can see we have hit the stop loss in the second trade also. That's now total loss of 1526. Usually I don't take more than two trades in a day, but it seems that um, if good opportunity occurs, we will take a trade. So you can see here bearish engulfing candle forming. So you can see it's not exactly bearish engulfing, it is a evening star pattern. And after such a big move at a resistance point 23,500, I have shorted the same call option that was the previous at 244 rupees. Okay, so 1 is to 3 would be at 213, we can book a profit of 1 is to 3. So you can see on the screen that it has already started giving us profits. So it has given us almost 1 is to 1 now, because the losses we have made in the previous trades is almost exhausted, it's almost becoming zero. So here the market is going down as we predicted, that the buying pressure has dried out, and now the selling is, now BS has become powerful, and you can see almost losses have become zero. Because I'm playing it in such a fast speed, you may not see the clearly, but it's becoming zero, and again hovering around 100. So now it's showing a little bit profitable. I should have booked at 1 is to 3 profit. See, now it's 1 is to 2 ratio, risk to reward we have achieved. But I didn't want to exit at that. At least I wanted to exit at 1 is to 3, and market also gave 1 is to 3. See, the profit has reached almost 1 is to 3. See, 1000, 1500. The maximum profit it has reached is 1500 rupees. So that's in risk to reward ratio of 1 is to 4. But I became a little greedy that I didn't want to exit the trade. I hoped that it would make a big move on the downward side. So I didn't exit the trade. I wanted to stay in the trade. See, almost 1500 made as if, because it's moving so fast, you may not see, but it has reached almost 1500. So that's 1 is to 4 risk to reward ratio. But I at this point what I thought was that the market will uh, retrace a little and the break the support point, because it's not even making any powerful bullish patterns here. I thought let's stay in the trade, and that's a big mistake I have made, because I'm gonna regret a lot after this. Instead of exiting with a profit, I ended up with a little bit loss, but I was profitable in the third trade. See, and here you can see that the emotion started to kick in, because the regret point that I could have exited at 1 is to 4. And see here also 1000, again 12,000, 1400, sorry, or 1500 profit, so that 1 is to 3. But again, let's wait and see what will happen. See, again the market has been giving multiple chances for us to exit at 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5 is to reward ratio. But we wanted to see what will happen, what's going to happen. So let's check it out. So that's what I did, and that was the biggest mistake ever. You can see the market is giving again 1 is to 3, and I am not exiting. I'm just sitting and watching. Let it retrace and let it fall. And when it falls, it's gonna make a very big move. That's what I was expecting. But the market did give a big move, but that's on the upper side. See, now this was a regret point. I was regretting a lot. Why did I not exit the trade? And the market is making bigger moves. And again I was waiting. At least I thought that I would exit at 1000 rupees profit, but the market is unforgivable. You have to stick to your plan that uh, it has given us 1 is to 4 in this trade. We should have exited, and that's the biggest mistake. We didn't exit, and the market moving against us. But there wasn't much strength in this move because market moved very stubbornly. It was stubborn, like won't move on the upper side, I will retrace. See, again it's falling. It's trying to fall every time. It's trying to fall. Bulls are rushing in to buy. Maybe something because of the budget session tomorrow, and the volatility also increasing a little bit at this point of time. See, that's what happens when you are trading with a single lot. You could have exited at a profit point of 1 is to 3 because you don't get another chance. Because it's a single lot, you end up with the losses. See, again the market has given. So here you can see, even though it's not falling in the index, you can see a big move on the options. It's making lower and lower moves. So see, here also I could have exited 1 is to 3. Multiple chances market has given, but what I wanted to see is that if it falls from here, because the option premium is falling much rapid than the index, because index is green but you can see option premium, it's going red. So that's why I wanted to see, even if it makes 50% retracement from here, this point, it could be a big profit. So that's why I didn't exit. I waited, but the market keep on going on the upper side. So from this point it's unreversible. So I waited almost. I didn't expect this, that the market would be this bullish. And what I did was I thought, let's decide that I will wait till the market close. That's 320 or 325. And see, here I have exited the trade with 439 rupees loss. Okay, it was 1500. We are in a much better position right now, but we could have exited with a profit of 1500. But instead of that, we did not expect this, and we ended up with a loss. So here's the overview of today's trading, guys. So today we have taken a total of 3 trades. So you can see market has opened at the almost yesterday's closing point, and it has rallied to this point. So at almost above R4 pivot point, it has formed a bearish engulfing candle. Immediately in this candle, I have shorted 23,600 call option. After that, even though it made higher highs above the bearish candle, it didn't hit our stop loss because of the volatility was going downward. And here also, even after this much movement also, the market didn't hit our stop loss. It hit our stop loss somewhere at this point. Okay, so we have exited the first trade with a loss of 750 plus rupees something. Okay, again after this, you can see here it has formed a bearish engulfing candle and a big wick on the upper side. So immediately in the next candle, have shorted the same call option with the stop loss of 10 rupees. Here also what happened is that again it has hit the stop loss. It's somewhere in this or in this candle, and again we have exited with a total loss of 1500 rupees. So first one 750 loss, second one 750 loss, and we are trading in a single lot. And you can see here it has formed a evening star pattern. Immediately in this candle I have shorted, and at this point somewhere here it was giving 1 is to 4 risk to reward, because already you can see from the first 2 trades we have made a loss of 1500, but at this point it is showing 1500 profit, means that total profit of 3000. But because I was expecting that this support would break and it would make a big move, I didn't exited the trade. So the market from this point, the market became bullish, and slowly it moved on the upward side. So we have exited with only 1100 rupees profit in the third trade. So we could have exited with a profit of 1 is to 4 in the third trade, but it was a mistake because of the change in plans. I wanted to take more profits and I want to wait. So that's what happened today. I hope you learned something from today's trading video. I hope that you like something. uh, if you have any recommendations on how we can improve our videos, you can always post your thoughts in the comment section below. If you want to support this channel, you can like and subscribe, and also please feel free to buy the all the gadgets and books we use from the Amazon links provided in the description box below. Because here, for making these videos, uh, we put a lot of effort, money and time. So you can all you can do is just like and subscribe to the video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching the video till the end.